This is Crypto Rocket. In this video, I'll be teaching you about triangular arbitrage in cryptocurrency. Triangular arbitrage in cryptocurrency refers to a trading strategy that takes advantage of price differences among three different cryptocurrencies to generate profits. If this kind of video is what you like, hit on the like button, subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell icon. Welcome to our latest video on triangular crypto arbitrage within an exchange. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, it is important to stay ahead of the curve and find new ways to maximize profits. Triangular arbitrage is a trading strategy that takes advantages of price differences between three different markets in the context of crypto trading. It involves buying and selling three different cryptocurrencies on the same exchange to profit from differences in their prices. By using triangular arbitrage within an exchange, trader can minimize the risk of transfer fees and delay associated with moving funds between different exchanges. Additionally, it can also be a great way to make the most of limits funds by leveraging small price differences between cryptocurrencies. I'll be taking you on the practical section on which I'll show you how to trade on this kind of opportunities. Navigate to CoinMarketCap on your browser. Go to filter. Add filter. Go to price and select 0 to 1. Apply filter and show results. Okay. We'll be using Stellar, which is XLM. We'll open it in a new tab. We can also choose Phantom. We can open it in a new tab too. Okay. So now you click on market. And you select source to sort the exchanges. Now you can see XLM USDT, XLM BUSD, XLM BTC, and XLM Euro, XLM TRY, XLM ETH. Now we'll sort the price by manually analyzing the price by ourselves. You can see XLM USDT 0.08631, 0.0 is the same price. XLM BTC 0.648. You see, now there's difference between these two. Yes, there's difference between these two. Now you can use USDT and buy XLM here and sell it at BTC and convert the BTC to USDT, and you'll be making your own profit. You see, there's difference between the two prices, and that's where we'll be making our profit. 648 and 631. You see, that means you buy with BTC, you use your BTC and buy XLM and sell it on USDT. Okay, the same thing with Phantom. Let's check Phantom too. Go to source and sort it. Yes. Okay, we have Phantom USDT, Phantom BTC, Phantom ETH. Okay, Phantom ETH is selling at 0.4761, and BTC is 0.4755, and USDT is 0.4757. okay, you see ETH and USDT. you see, now we can use BUSD. Now you see ETH 61 That means you can buy with your BUSD, use your BUSD and buy phantom and go and sell it on ETH, then convert your ETH to USDT and you make your profits. I think this video is a very nice video. I know that I'll be posting on my Telegram channel the opportunities. Once I see any good opportunities that can make you at least some kind of profit, I will let you know. So just stay ahead of the game and try out triangular crypto arbitrage within an exchange today. With the right strategy and little bit of luck, you could be on your way to maximizing your profit in the exciting world of crypto trading. Thank you.